Hello and welcome to this Market-to-Meal recipe. Today we're going to be cooking Chinese sesame chicken. This is a wonderfully simple recipe that coats chunks of chicken with Chinese 5-spice, chili flakes and sesame seeds. It's then combined with onions and peppers before being coated in a delicious teriyaki and honey sauce. Remember, you can purchase pre-portioned ingredients for this recipe and hundreds more at MarketToMeal.com. To start, you'll need a large resealable bag. We're going to add flour, half of your sesame seeds, Chinese 5-spice and red chili flakes. You can shake it up a bit to make sure it's well mixed. Now place the pieces of diced chicken into the bag and shake it well to ensure everything is coated. We're making a single portion here, so it fits nicely in the bag, but if you're making more, you may want to do this in small batches. Once you're happy the chicken is well coated, you can take it out of the bag and place it on a plate. Doing this by hand avoids too much excess flour on the chicken. We're now going to put a large frying pan on a medium-high heat. Add in the oil and wait for it to get hot. Now add in the chicken and we're going to brown it on both sides. This will take about 5 minutes and as the chunks are quite small, they'll cook fairly quickly. Once it's done, take the chicken out of the pan and put it to one side. Now the onion and peppers have been sliced thinly and we're going to add them to the pan on the same medium-high heat. They should only take a couple of minutes to brown. Watch them carefully as you don't want them to burn. Once done, remove from the pan and put to one side. We're now ready to bring it all together. First, reduce the heat on the pan to medium-low and add the chicken back in. Now mix in the teriyaki sauce, the remaining sesame seeds and honey. Finally, add the onion and peppers for a couple of minutes and ensure it's all warmed through. And that's it. If you order the ingredients from us, the recipe comes with rice, and that's what we've prepared here. But it also works great with noodles. A really delicious, sweet and sticky dish that's great to eat any day of the week. Remember, you can purchase pre-portioned ingredients for this recipe and hundreds more at MarketToMeal.com. Thanks for watching.